everyone, today I will teach you how to make single stitch. If you write it, it will be the letter X. In my video I also write X, that means the single stitch. Firstly, yarn over, firstly go to the first stitch, then yarn over, go through, yarn over, go through, go through, yarn over, go through, yarn over. Okay, you can see this is the single stitch. Abbreviation is the letter X. Now let's finish this row. Go through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Okay, go through, yarn over, go through, yarn over, go through. Repeat that again. Okay, after you finish this, it would be very easy because it's the first thing ever that everyone would learn how to crochet. Okay, I have this single stitch here, a single crochet here.